guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lynn and this will show the most profitable and easiest trading strategy even for beginners. And now let's start our trading session.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialog with me and write +VIP.
So we start our trading session with $100. Let's see what happens. Let's get started. First thing we do is start our we set up our workspace. The amount $100. It's 100% of our balance at the moment. Next, this is important. We'll leave the time of our deals. Our deal time today will be exactly 1 minute. We'll use currency pass 7 exactly. Payout percentage 70%. It's very important criteria. Don't forget about this. My recommendation, that's less than 70% of payouts, or it's very important to use more than 70%. Two indicators, CCI and envelopes. So CCI settings. So this indicator have two lines. So I think it's very simple to understand. This indicator is very simple to understand. So these two lines, we have maybe we can have some consolidation. It's also present on the market. The settings of the other indicator. So that's our indicators for today, and also we will use our technical analysis for general analysis. It's better to combine two indicators in the trading. This indicator works and places another band above the below and below the price level selected in our range. And before we start our trading session, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel. You can find there many useful information about trading. You can find the link in the description under the video. So let's start. Here we are in the first concept pair. We open down and we start our technical analysis. The first is we see 4 candles, fairly large, going down. 2 red candles. After this, in theory, a reversal should have happened, but the reversal did not happen. Thus our trend is confident and continues to decline. In direction of the decline, that is not a downward trend, we opened our position. Next, we see our indicator. We also went beyond the lower limits of -100 of our indicator. Yeah, let's see for our market. We have 7 seconds left until the end. At the moment we are below our opening point, but the candle is quite intense. Yeah, plus deal, our profit is $84. And let's move on to the next concept. Here we are in the second concept and start our technical analysis. Upward trend we see drawdown related to the last candle. If we take an even more general situation, we are experiencing some kinds of consolidation. With this consolidation, we have reached a certain minimum, that is the level of support for this consolidation. Thus, more likely we will all turn towards the area of the resistance area with a greater threat. So thus we had a small turnaround, and at the moment so what we see, 7 seconds left until the end. Our chart is growing relative to our opening points, and we have plus DL. Profit is $80. Let's move on. Here we are. Let's open up and we start our technical analysis. So based on technical analysis, we will see that general upward trend we have. So this kinds of consolidation is also going up. From the consolidation, there's a certain increase with the constant pullbacks. Here's the last one we had in the dead zones. So what we see more? 3 lines in the upper position by our indicator. By the second indicator, we will see drawdown by red candle, this, and soon move towards the upper boundaries. Draw down the small, plus deal. Our profit is 73, and and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can find many videos about trading and about signals, and also you can copy my trading. We move on. Here we are in the next concept, open down. When we start our technical analysis, we see growth. Green candle was very large. By indicator, we are at the top position. By the second indicator, the other situation. So, support area we see. Let's see. Draw down on our chart. Some consolidation. 4 seconds left until the end. Plus TL. Profit is $86. Let's move on. So we are on the next concept. Let's open up and we start our technical analysis. We see growth. The previous candle also has a green one, as well as the previous red candle. We see that the shadows are formed mainly from below by indicator envelopes. All 3 moving averages of this indicator are also directed in the upper position at the moment. Upward trend. According to the second indicator, we also see the overbought level beyond the value of the 100. So let's see. 6 seconds left. plus TL $83. And you'll find all of my deals in my Telegram channel. Let's increase our deal amount to 500. We are in the next concept. Open up. And we start our technical analysis. We see the general trend is going up. We had a pullback, then back to increase. Now we will begin a small consolidation. Most likely it will be shorter. There will be no such drawdown, and most likely the trend will continue to rise. Thus, we have opened our trade for an increase. By the envelopes, we are still in the upper limits. By the other indicator, so also growth. We see growth. Let's see. 18 seconds left. We are still higher of our opening points, but in no case should we. So we see growth. Yeah, plus deal. Our profit is 405. And we have our last concept. Let's do the deal amount 150. We are in the next concept. We open up and we start our technical analysis. In the moment, we see that we are in a state of growth, so we can safely open up. We also opened our up position at the moment, so we already had two decent green candles that indicate that the trend is more than confident, and we can safely open a position for an increase. We are staying in the upper boundaries of this indicator, and 3 moving averages are also aimed at an upward trend. Good. Let's see. "13 seconds left until the end, and our candle is above our opening points. Quite pleasant. 4 seconds. Yep, plus deal. So let's finish our trading session for today. Let's summarize. We started with balance. It was $100 at the beginning of the video, and now we have more than $1,000. It's very good. By almost 10 times we increased our balance. We used 1 minute time frame, and we used concept as with the payout percentage more than 70%. It's very important. And we used, as usual, our technical analysis for general analysis, and as well as 2 indicators. You can copy the settings. And CCI settings. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.